people, so these are the weekend videos because I get to have, and today we have even my niece with us, and this is Ayush. And now you please don't take the, that's my son. And I don't know, but that's what there are many who say that they like Ayush in the videos, but that's what Chiku and Anmiku as usual is making
I'm the
this cute.
star of the video.
Yeah, and that's what these videos are very impromptu
I'm
and
only the star, not mommy.
yeah,
Even
that I
though
agree.
she's the creator.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
think that's more than enough.
Yeah, no, careful. Actually, these cousins are very fond of each other. So I was giving them a lecture last evening, but it's very sweet. We should always, see. Wow, there she's made it also. And
no,
this
it's
is
not
how
ready
many? Oh God, it's almost a 1 minute video. And Ayush, he's running in full speed. But yeah, so these are those crazy, weird type videos we keep making. But it's a lot of fun.
No way.
So yeah, and we'll make another thing through that. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.
No matter what.